Hello, in front of me I've got KEYCHRON M5. In this video I'll show you how to check firmware version and update of your mouse. To check firmware version of your mouse, let's go to Launcher KEYCHRON. Now, go to Settings and Version Record. Here is the update log and current version. In device info you can also find it. If you want to update the mouse, go to Receiver Update and select Next. Now flash firmware and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.